Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to archive chats on WhatsApp desktop. First, open WhatsApp desktop on your computer. On the left side you'll see your list of chats. To archive a chat, find the conversation you want to hide from your main chat list. Now, right-click on that chat. From the menu, look for the Archive Chat option and click it. The chat will now be removed from your main chat list and moved to the Archived section. Archiving a chat does not delete the conversation. Your messages will remain safe, and you can access the chat again whenever you want. To find your archived chats, look for the Archived section in your WhatsApp chat list. Click on Archive to open it. Here, you'll see all the chats that you have archived. If you want to bring a chat back to your main chat list, right-click on the archived chat. Then select Unarchive Chat. The chat will now return to your regular chat list. You can use the archive feature when you want to keep your chat list organized or temporarily hide conversations without deleting them. Remember, archiving is different from deleting. When you archive a chat, the conversation stays available and can be restored at any time. And that's how you can archive and unarchive chats on WhatsApp desktop. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.